Massage Lola, Bella and Ethan.
Galing.
Ah,
May spa pala dito
very good. Yes, Lola, very tired. Lola, take good care of you both.
No, not like that, like this. Not very fast. Ouch. Is it nice, the massage?
Massage properly, Lola, so that Lola can relax.
When Lola is very, very old na, cannot walk na very well.
Oh, Lola.
All this na yan.
Lola, take good care of you both, oh. Lola, very tired. She take good care of you both. Massage, Lola.